Hi everyone, Steph here. Now, one of the bags that I've heard talked about a lot recently is the Saint Laurent LouLou Toy bag. It definitely seems to be an incredibly popular crossbody bag right now from the brand. And I'm so excited to finally share with you my new LouLou Toy bag from Saint Laurent. So I wanted to pull this video together today for you because I'm going to show you around the bag, what fits inside. I'll style it with numerous different outfits to give you some inspiration on how you might wear this bag because it's incredibly beautiful. And stay tuned until the end. I'll reveal my first thoughts on whether or not I think the LouLou Toy bag is worth the investment or not. If you are a fellow designer bag addict and luxury lover, welcome to the family. Make sure before you go you hit the subscribe button and the bell down below. How much does the LouLou Toy bag cost to start with? So this bag retails at £990 here in the UK, just under £1,000, but I've noticed Saint Laurent have definitely been creeping their prices up over the last, say, year or so, quite significantly on some of their bags. It seems to have kind of gone under the radar, but I definitely think the price of this will be going up a few £100s over the next year or a few years. But overall, for less than £1,000, it will be over $1,000. I'll flash the price down here somewhere in dollars for you. But I think a really, you're getting a lot of bag for your money here. Like, this is a full leather bag. And it also comes with a cross-body strap. So overall, I think the LouLou bag is very good value for money from Saint Laurent considering the price increases. I got this on eBay, so it's new to me, but it is actually pre-loved. And I paid around £600 for this bag. I find with Saint Laurent and Givenchy and Saint Laurent, I kind of see on the same kind of level, if you will, and they do have an okay resale value, but if you purchase them new, you tend to lose a bit of money, a few £100s. Whereas with Louis Vuitton, you can get most of your money back. That could change as like brands' popularities change. But yeah, when I saw this for £600, I was like, I have to get it. I really, really like the studded. So I've had this bag for quite a long time now. This is the Givenchy Antigona in the mini size. And can you tell I've got a thing for like studded things here? I really like this version. And like I say, this one I've had for quite a long time. This Antigona mini is a lot heavier than the LouLou Toy bag though. So this is probably going to be a better everyday bag. Now let me show you around the bag quickly. So this is the front of the bag there with all these beautiful studs. Side of the bag, you have here an attachment for the strap, which I've got inside the bag. Back of the bag, very simple. That's all you kind of want because it will be sat next to your body. And then underneath there are no studs, but it does feel like quite a thick leather. Like I say, this one isn't brand new, but you can't really, there's hardly anywhere. I don't think it's been used that much, to be honest with you. But these corners here I have seen on some pre-loved do wear over time. So I'd just be careful how you put the bag down. I really like the flap. I don't know why. It just feels quite thick and spongy. I like that. And then inside you have got your, let me show you here, two main compartments either side. And then you have this like part in the middle, which you could put something thin inside that. So I like that even though it's a small bag, you've got your two compartments there. And then you've also got a zipper compartment along the back there. So if you want to keep something super safe in your bag, you can do. I love the simplicity. And also, I don't know if you'll be able to see this on camera, there are lots of card slots on the back of the bag here. So you don't even need to take a purse out with you. You could put all your cards in those card slots, and then you could keep your phone in the zip pocket to keep it safe, and then any other like extra bits like car keys and stuff inside there. I'll show you what fits inside in a second. I really like bags that have hoops on the side. So this one has a detachable, I guess you could use it as a clutch bag like that, but this one has and I like this hook. Okay, these types of fastenings do not come off. I think these are great. So you just hook that, and then you could use this is quite long. You can adjust the strap slightly, but I think it's meant to be quite long. Just move this back. You could wear it as a shoulder bag. but it's best used as a crossbody bag. It sits quite low. You could get a different strap for it. I mean, yeah, this is definitely sat a bit low. I'd prefer it to sit about here. So I'm going to adjust the strap, but you could also put a different strap on it too. Speaking of additional straps, this is my current obsession, is adding different straps to bags just for different looks, and that just enables you to use the bag slightly differently. So this is a silver strap here, and I'm just going to attach it onto this bag, see what it looks like. So now with this strap on, I could use it as a bag on the crook of my arm like this. If I got a longer strap, I could use it as a shoulder bag as well. But I don't know, I quite like this because it's not too heavy, this bag. Just throw it on the crook of your arm like that. Now, if you are interested in purchasing any additional straps for your designer bags, there are so many to choose from. I often post like Instagram reels on my Instagram account. If you aren't following me already, head over there. My handle is at handbag_holic. So I post bags with numerous different straps to give some inspiration. So head over there and you can watch those reels. But what I will do is pop a link down below to my Amazon storefront. I don't sell these, they're not from me, but I list the ones that I have purchased and that I like, and they're so cheap. I think this one was about, I want to say about £15, and it's now going to enable me to use this bag slightly differently. So yeah, I absolutely love it. And as long as you get the right colour and kind of style that you want, it definitely adds a different look. And you're not going to see anyone with this exact bag with the chain either. So I really, really love that. Link down below in the description box to my Amazon storefront for them. The most asked question now, what fits inside the LouLou Toy bag? I wondered this, so I did watch quite a few YouTube videos before I purchased it. So like I say, you've got the card slots at the front there. You've got how many? You've got 3 card slots and another one, so maybe like 4 card slots, so you could put your money and your cards in there. You don't need to take a purse with you with this bag. But just to demonstrate, I have got my Louis Vuitton zippy coin purse. This is a small zippy coin purse, and that fits inside the bag absolutely fine. So if you don't want to move all your cards into the bag, you can still take a purse with you. Just to demonstrate, I've got a full-size purse here. This is not any particular purse, but just to show you, if you want to put a full-size purse, it's not going to fit. It's too wide. And I guess the point of having a toy/mini bag is that you don't want to be carrying a whole lot around with you anyway, so you can't fit a full-size purse in. Here is my iPhone. This isn't the iPhone Plus, this is the smaller size. And I'm not exactly sure whether the full size would fit, but this is the normal size. I think it would fit. I think the plus size would fit, but that is my phone in there. Like I say, I've got a piece of paper in here. Let me move that so you can see. So now we've got my phone and my purse in there, so I'm going to put these car keys in. We're definitely running out of space, guys. We are running out of space. The front is now totally full. Car keys there, purse and phone at the back, and a few more essentials. I've got just a little lip balm here and a miniature perfume. I guess you could also look at that as a lipstick. And we are pretty full. So it's safe to say that this bag, it does still close, look. It's fine, even though I've bulked it out quite a lot with my car keys in there. I can get my keys, my purse, and a few little extra bits, and my phone as well. So this is definitely more of an essentials bag, but I really like this because I'm trying to stop walking around with things just for the excess weight on my shoulders. I'm trying to stop putting too much in my bags as maybe I go shopping or out for the day, because I'll be honest, even this feels quite heavy now. So I like the idea that I could take a few cards out. I don't need to take my purse for the unnecessary weight. I could probably put cut my car keys down to some essential keys rather than taking the whole lot. But just knowing that I can use the bag like this, even though this is a toy mini bag, it's definitely one of the best size mini bags that I've ever purchased before. Now for the part of these videos that I know you guys love the most, I have styled my LouLou Toy bag with numerous different outfits to give you some inspiration on how you might wear and style this beautiful bag. Drop me a comment below, let me know which outfit you like the most for the LouLou Toy.
I was checking out pictures of us. I never realized what I have lost. Now I know it, and it is so insane how I treated this like a game. You were my help when no one else were there to share affection. So let's try again. I'll go anywhere. Just send me your location to bring back when we were more than happy. Jokes and laughing, just laughing. We were storm and fire.
My first thoughts to the LouLou toy bag then. Why did I not get one of these bags sooner? I would really like this bag with gold hardware because I'm a gold hardware lover. So I would definitely look to invest in another one. I can see myself having 2 of these bags, definitely. And one of my other like everyday bags is the Louis Vuitton Odeon bag. This is the PM bag. And in here I can fit a bottle of water. You can't fit that in the toy bag. But if I was going shopping somewhere and I kind of knew that I was eating and didn't need to carry a bottle of water, I would probably take this one out with me instead. You can see the kind of size there. This is the PM size for anyone that's like wants reference. And to see it, you can see it's a lot smaller. This would, I think Saint Laurent, they always look a little bit more, I want to say kind of put together. This looks more casual. This looks a little bit more kind of going out. So I feel like this would go better from day to night. This, I would never wear this at night, but this I would definitely wear it for an evening. Let me know in the comments down below what you think to the LouLou toy bag. Have you got one? Are you considering purchasing one? If you are, then I have popped a link in the description box down below to the LouLou toy bag on the Saint Laurent site. This is an affiliate link, which means at absolutely no cost to you, I will earn a small commission if you click it and then go to purchase something on the Saint Laurent site. I appreciate it so much when you guys use these links. It helps me to keep creating free content like this for you. Now, do you want to know what the best designer crossbody bags are? Of course you do, because crossbody bags are fantastic and the LouLou is no exception to that. So I'll be popping video here for you on the best designer crossbody bags. Guys, you aren't going to want to miss this, so head over there and watch that video next. Thanks for watching.